Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the S95QR. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are unboxing the S95QR soundbar. This is coming with the Dolby Atmos. It will be 9.1.5 channels, and it comes with the IMAX. It will come with the Dolby Vision, with the HDMI, Chromecast, and you can control using the LG remote. So let's go. Just first open that one, then okay. So it will come with the 3 HDMIs actually. There is this, and this. So for the TV, you'll normally use the ARC or EARC, and the power. Okay, that's it. You can also mount it on the wall. This is for wall mounting. These 2 pins. Yeah, let's go. Change it. Wait, yeah, it's like that. Okay, so that's unboxed. So we go to the next step. That's empty. Check this. So you'll get one HDMI. Then in this small box you'll find the cables for the power. Then this will be the mount. I'll show you for the mount. Just 1 minute. Don't open that one. We'll open one only. Yeah, so the mount will be like that. This is for mounting this on the wall. Yeah, so that's how they look like. So let's pack this again. Now it's time for the sub.
This is a box, eh?
Yeah, that will be the sub. I don't know where you put it. It's okay. You can do like this. Where's the okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, you put it here.
This.
Okay, so it will come like that. No, just put upside. You put upside down. No. This is the down one.
Oh, down, yeah. The thing like.
Yeah, like that. So we go to the rears. This will be the rears. So it comes with 2 rear speakers, and this soundbar, it will come with 810 watts, 9.1.5 channels. Again, it will come with the Dolby Atmos. It will come with the Dolby Vision, IMAX enhanced, DTSX, HDMI. 4 of them, as you saw. There is Spotify. You'll find Alexa, built-in Alexa. You'll find AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and that's our S95 soundbar. So these will be the rears. So it will come with this and another one. I just put the power. Hmm?
Power. Cable.
Use this one. Hmm?
Which one?
Okay, yeah, same.
All same?
Yeah, same.
So the same like thing.
So the power will go there. And this also you can mount it on the wall, the rear speakers. Colors, cable management.
Right.
And that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Keep it.
So the rears here, it will come with the speaker. It will come with the speaker here. Then this the main bar will come with 1, 2, 3. Here in the sides there is here. Then there is also here, and the rest we'll find here. Same goes to the other rear. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. That's it. So, ladies and gentlemen, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the notification button. And we love you all. So, on the box, this is what will be there. Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced DTS, IS audio, then DTX, HDMI, Spotify, Alexa, AirPlay, Chromecast, and Google Assistant. So those all options will be there. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Yeah, just put that on. So ladies, this is, and gentlemen, this will be the remote for our S95QR.